I have known Dr. Parvini for 2 years now. He gave us multiple hands-on courses. The one that I benefited from the most was the Sinus Lift course. Even though I have been practicing open sinus lifting for a while before I took the course, I was really surprised by the amount of tips and tricks he gave us during those courses.
The course was amazing. Dr. Parvini is a very good clinician. He explains very well all the complications and solutions that we can find when working in the maxillary sinus.
He has so many tips and tricks, no matter if it's basic surgery or if it's very complex surgery.
All information given by him is always evidence-based and up-to-date. No matter your level of clinical proficiency, he finds always something to teach you.
After this course, I felt more comfortable dealing with more complex cases with ease and confidence.
And I highly recommend this course to any one of my colleagues that want to be more proficient in the art of working in the maxillary sinus and to achieve an excellent outcome for their procedure.
If you ever get the possibility to see Dr. Parvini or join one of his courses, I will highly recommend you to do that.